Hello everyone, నేను మీ బాలకృష్ణ. వెల్కమ్ టు మై యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. టుడే agenda of this class is SAP CPI. What is the full form of SAP? What is the full form of CPI? What is the importance of learning SAP CPI, especially in IT? I will explain clearly each and everything. If you have any doubt, please let me know. I will explain clearly and in detail. Please watch till the end. If you are getting any doubts, let me know in the middle of the class also. Stay tuned to my channel. If you like this video, subscribe and then like and then you comment. Thank you. Now SAP. What is SAP? SAP stands for SY System Application and Products. System Application and Products. This is the full form of SAP. Now, what is the full form of CPI? What is the full form of CPI? What is the full form of CPI? S stands for Cloud. P stands for Platform. I stands for Integration. That is the full form of SAP CPI. CPI, what is the objective of SAP CPI learning in this class? This SAP system application and products, especially these all are about discussing about the data. Now it is a in data processing purpose. If you want to process the data, systems data, application data and products data in data processing, we need to integrate with the clouds. What is the importance of the cloud? Cloud importance is, suppose store the data, cloud store the data and then store the data and then visualization of the data and then deploy the data and then monitoring the data. That is the importance of the cloud. How to this SAP is integrating with the cloud. I will explain clearly in detail. Please stay tuned to my channel. Now I am moving to the another slide. Now, what is table of content? In this, what is the table of contents? In the table of contents, now what is SAP Cloud Integration? What is SAP Cloud Integration? And then key component of SAP Cloud Integration CPI, and then how SAP Cloud Integration works, for which industries in SAP Cloud Integration is suitable, and then why should companies use SAP Cloud Integration. Another one is use cases of SAP Cloud Integration and benefits of SAP Cloud Integration. These are the topics I want to discuss in this session. Okay, what is SAP Cloud Integration? Now I am moving to the another slide. What is SAP Cloud Integration? Now SAP Cloud Integration is designed to simplify the data exchange between applications. Now in the SAP, what is the SAP? Especially SAP, in the SAP, S is the systems. Says or no? S is the systems. Now here in the SAP, cloud integration is then simplified to data exchange between applications. What is the full importance of SAP? SAP CPI to exchange the data between applications, one application to the another application. How data will exchange, regardless of whether those applications are running in cloud or on premises. Applications in the sense, suppose WhatsApp is the one application, and then Facebook is the one application. Suppose ChatGPT is also another application. Suppose um, Insta is also another application. Thread is also another application. Swiggy is also one application. Zomato also is one application. Ola. These are all the applications. In these application, how to exchange the data one application to the another application with the whether those application where applications are running in cloud or on premises. Cloud in the sense cloud providers as well as on premises within our infrastructure. That is the SAP cloud integration is helpful for to exchange the information between the applications. These applications are running in cloud or on premises. Now, facilitates. Suppose what is the importance of integration? What is the importance of integration? It facilitates the integration of different SAP and non-SAP applications. Suppose system application and products, this is the one, are non-SAP applications. By automating the data transfer process across various systems and platforms. What it will importance of integration? It is a SAP applications or non-SAP application, automating the data transfer. Suppose automating the data transfer process across various systems and platforms. Now, the platform offers the development environment. The platform is nothing but a development environment. Suppose if you want to develop any generative AI as well as data science, machine learning, and then Java, we need some environments is required. We need to some IDs required. Now SAP has also required one development environment. Now in Python, IDs is also integrated and development environment. The platform here, here is which one cloud platform offers development environment that includes a rich set of pre-built connectors. What are the connectors? And then integration flows. You need to create and then develop an environment includes this set of pre-built connectors, integration flows, and APIs that reduce the development time required for new integrations. These are required to develop are required for new integrations. If you want to create new integrations by using SAP CPI, we need pre-built connectors required, integration flows is required, and then API is required. These three are helpful for to reduce the development time required for new integrations. Now, with the SAP Cloud Integration, business can quickly set up and manage complex integration scenarios while ensuring that data remains consistent, accurate, and timely. Understand what is the importance of the cloud integration? Business can quickly set up and manage complex integration scenarios while ensuring the data remains. Suppose if you want to make a complex integration is also data is always remain consistent, accurately, and timely. This is the importance of the cloud integration, SAP cloud integration. Now what is the importance of SAP CPI? To exchange the communication between the application. Otherwise, the information exchange between the applications, regardless of whether these applications are running in cloud premises or on premises. This is the importance of SAP CPI. Suppose SAP CPI, non-SAP CPI as well as SAP CPI applications are there, but pre-built connectors and then APIs and then integrated flows is required to reduce the new required integrations. This is the importance of SAP Cloud integrations. Now we are moving to the another slide. Key components of SAP Cloud integration, CPI. Integration flows, adapters, integration flows, adapters, and then monitoring tools is required to these are the these are the components. These are the basic components in CPI. What are the basic components or key components? Integration flows. Integration flows. What is the integration flow? Integration flows defines the process by which data moves between system. What is the integration flow importance? Data flow in between the systems. They are designed using a graphical interface. It is look like a graphical interface. Suppose if you want to create, suppose this is the source, in between the SAP CPI, SAP, this is the destination. Destination are output. Now our receiver. Now source connect with SAP and then SAP connect with the receiver. These connectors, these are the connectors. What are the protocols we have to use? HTTPS, and then SOAP, and then inbound adapters, outbound adapters, and then these are the adapters is required. Now how to send the information one application to another application securely by using SAP Cloud Integration. Cloud Integration. Now this is the graphical interface. This is look like a graphical interface enabling developers to easily create, manage, and visualize data integration tasks. That is the importance of integration flow. It is very, very important question in the SAP CPI. These flows often involves steps. In these flows, what are the steps involved? Such as you need to data extraction, transformation, and loading. It is an ETL. ETL stands for extraction, and then transformation and loading. Now this is an ETL. Is in another way is also there. It is in ELT. Extraction, load, and then transformation. These are in the data extraction, transformation, and loading. It is in data pipeline. Now it is another is there, that is DBT. DBT is helpful for only transformation. And the transformation is only there, that is in DBT. I will explain clearly in the slow phonic DBT. Now what is the importance of the adapters? Now what is the importance of the integration flow? Integration flow is in visualization of data flow between systems. They are designed, it is in graphical interface. It is easy to create, manage, and visualize data creation tasks. Data integration tasks. What is the major importance? Flow involves steps such as data extraction, transformation, and loading. It is in like ETL. Integration flow is like a ETL or ELT. Now, what is the importance of the adapters? Now, adapters. Now, what is the importance of the adapters in especially SAP CPI? Now, adapters. Adapters are look like a connectors. Adapters are connectors. What is the importance of the connectors? Facilitate communication between different systems. These are the connect one system to one system. How two systems are connect? Because of the adapters are required. These adapters are required only connection between. It is in connection established between two systems is called adapters. Now, SAP Cloud Integration. SAP Cloud Integration supports wide range of protocols, including HTTP. HTTP stands for Hyper Text Transfer Protocol, and then SFTP, FTP, SOAP, REST, and other, making it possible to integrate both SAP and non-SAP applications seamlessly. What is the importance of the adapters? It is a connection established between two systems, two applications by using SAP Cloud Platform Integration. Here, so many wide range of protocols are available. What are the type of protocols there? HTTP, SFTP, FTP, SOAP, and then REST, and other, making it is possible to integrate both SAP and non-SAP applications seamlessly. And then monitoring tools. What type of monitoring tools is required to monitor this application? Now, SAP Cloud Integration provides built-in monitoring tools. Built-in monitoring tools that enables users to track. Importance of the monitoring tools: user to track and manage data flows effectively. These tools are instrumental in identifying issues, bottlenecks, or failures in the integration process. What is the importance of the monitoring tools? It is in a track and manage data flows effectively. The flow is going continuously or not? Is there any failures is coming or not? Is there any stopping the flow or not? It will easily monitor the tools. It is in predefined tools, inbuilt tools. Now, what is the importance of tools? Are instrumental identifying issues, bottlenecks, or failures in the integration process. Developers and administrators can leverage these tools to optimize integration performance and ensure smooth data exchange. What is the major importance of the monitoring tools? To exchange the data smoothly in between two systems, two applications based on the tools. It is a track, manage, and then flows effectively, identifying issues, failures, bottlenecks, each and everything. It is in a majorly send the data smooth way in between two systems. This is the key components. What are the key components? It is these three are in interview questions in SAP CPI. What is the integration flow? It is simply iFlow, and then adapters, and then monitoring tools. What is the adapters? It is a connection established between two systems or two applications by using some protocols. What are the protocols is helpful to communicate two systems or two applications? It is in HTTP, SFTP, and then REST, SOAP, another was some another protocols is also there. It is in another monitoring tools. What is the importance of monitoring tools? To track and manage the data flows effectively, working properly or not. Suppose if there any issues are coming, bottlenecks, and then failures, easily monitoring. Based on that, then only we will send the proper smoothing information from source to the destination. All of you clear my point? If you have any doubts, let me know. I will be clearly explain how SAP Cloud integration works, how it will works, how it will works. You need some architecture overview is required. Now I am going to explain architecture overview. Now, SAP Cloud Integration operates in multi-tenant architecture. Now, multi-tenant means suppose it is an on-premises as well as cloud. Suppose a, any tenant, multi-tenant architecture, where multiple organizations share the same infrastructure. Multiple organizations share the same infrastructure despite this shared environment. Each organization's each organization's data and the process remains securely isolated to ensure privacy and efficiency. Now, data flow. How the data flow? Data flow in SAP Cloud Integration typically flows and extract, transform, and load ETL model. Now, data flow. How to data flow in SAP Cloud based on the ETL format only. E stands for extraction. Data is retrieved from the source system, and then transformation. The data is converted into a format that matches the target system's requirement, and then loading. After transformation, the data must be stored in some database. Now it is a cloud database, it is a local database. Transfer data is then loaded into the target systems. Now examples. What are the when integration is in on-premise? Suppose the integration flow is happening on premises. SAP ERP, enterprises resource planning, enterprises resource planning system, which cloud with a cloud-based SAP success factors solution. Data is first extracted from SAP ERP, transformed to align with success factor schema, and finally load into the success factor. It is very, very important. Success factors. Now, suppose we have to create the data integration flow in on-premises. We need to collect the data from the SAP ERP, enterprises resource planning. It is in SAP success factors. We need to extract the SAP ERP and then transform to align with success factor schema and finally load into the success factors only. This is the in on premises. This is the on premises. Now coming to the integration patterns. What are the different type of integration patterns are there in SAP? SAP Cloud Integration supports a variety of integration patterns to accommodate diverse business needs. Now, what is the point to point, hub and spoke, and then publish subscriber? These are the different integration patterns are there in the cloud. Point to point. What is point to point? Establish a direct connection. Point to point means direct connection between two systems for straightforward integrations. Hub and spoke. Utilize central hub is there. It is in central hub is there to manage integration with the multiple systems like spokes. It is a suppose one system is there, it is in another system is there, we need directly connect, it is in SAP is there, SAP is required direct connection between source to receiver. In the middleware, SAP CPI is there. Suppose hub is there. Now it is a source system, it is SAP CPI. Now in this there, it is in hub is required. In hub, now we need to connect with multiple systems or spokes. Now publish subscribe allows one system to publish data which is then received by other subscribed systems. Now one system only publish data, publish in the source. Some of the systems received subscribed systems only. Suppose I am giving this lecturer, how many students or how many persons are subscribed my channel, that persons only can view the content of my channel content. Suppose it is in public, all users are easily accessing or visible my content. This is the published subscriber. I am the publisher who are having the subscriber to my channel, then only they will easily access my content. That is the sub publication subscribe. Okay, this is the integration works. How integration works? Architecture over multi-tenant, and then data flow. Data flow is an extract transformation load, and then it is in different type of how. Suppose if you want to extracting the information in the on premises by using SAP ERP. SAP stands for systems application products, ERP stands for enterprises resource planning. Based on the cloud, that is in success factors is very important role plays, extracting the information and then transforming information load in the same where same in the success factors only. What are the success factors? I will explain clearly in detail in the next slides. If you are getting any doubts, please ask me. I will clarify your doubts. Okay, all of you getting my points? Okay, good. Now I am moving to another slide. Now, for which industries in SAP cloud integration suitable? In which industries? Now suppose we have so many industries are there. Now one is in manufacturing industries. Manufacturing industries also using SAP CPI, and then retail, finance, healthcare, energy, logistics. In not only these five or six, so many industries. SAP Cloud Integration supports business to business B2B or business to government B2G. B2B means business to government use cases also SAP Cloud Integration supports. Facilitating secure and efficient data exchange with the partners. Suppose if you want to exchange the information to another person, we need to send securely. Otherwise, there someone hacking our data. That is the reason SAP Cloud Integration provider is very helpful. Partners and suppliers and government entities. I hope all of you clear my point. If you are getting any doubt, please let me know. I am explained clearly. What in which industries SAP CPI using? Manufacturing, retail, and then finance and healthcare, and then business. Now, what is the importance of SAP Cloud provider integration? Business to business applications use cases, and then business to government applications also we will use. Now, coming to the another slide. Now I am moving to the another slide. Now, why should companies use SAP Cloud Integration? Now, SAP Cloud Integrations offers several key advantages for business. What are the advantages are? Which type of advantages? Providing the SAP CPI quick integration. Integration is easy to create, cost effective, flexibility and scalability, business agility. These are the usages. Because of that reason, companies are more using SAP CPI. Why? Because quick integrations, cost effective, flexibility and scalability, business agility. Because of that reason, SAP CPI is the more popular in nowadays. Okay. Now I am moving to another slide. Now, use cases. What type of use cases we want to build? Suppose integration on premises. On premises system with the cloud applications. Suppose we are in the on premises. In that local we have to application is there. That application is communicated with cloud. This is the use case one. Integrating on premises systems with the cloud applications. How? Many business rely on legacy on-premises systems. SAP Cloud Integration facilitates seamless integration between on-premises SAP application. On-premises application means always we will extracting the information from the ERP, enterprises resource planning, and then suppose it is in on premises, it is very very important from on premises system applications SAP ERP. Suppose cloud based solutions SAP S4 HANA, and then SAP success factors. I will discuss in next session what is SAP S4 HANA or SAP success factors. Now example, sync customer data between and on-premises SAP CRM. SAP means CRM means customer customer relationship management. Customers data is in on-premises, and SAP Commerce Cloud ensures accurate and up-to-date information is accessible across platforms. Now, integration with third-party applications. Integrations with third-party applications. Second one, SAP Cloud Integration allows seamless connected with a wide range of third-party applications, whether they are hosted on-premises or in the cloud. Now, examples. Connect SAP systems with third-party platforms like Salesforce, Shopee, and then Amazon Web Services to enable enhanced functionality and efficient data flow. Now, another one is real-time data processing. In the real-time data processing is also CPI is helpful. Industries such as finance, healthcare, and real-time data processing is crucial. Benefit greatly SAP Cloud Integration. What is the major benefit is SAP CPI is the best solution to processing the real-time data. It ensures that data remains up to date, enabling faster decision making and increased agility. Example, a financial service company has SAP Cloud Integration to process transactional data in real time, ensuring financial systems remain current and accurate. Suppose in the real-time finance in the sense banking domain. In the banking domain, we will use SAP CPI. In suppose how many use case cloud integrations is there? Integration on premises systems with the cloud applications. Here on premises SAP ERP, cloud premises SAP S4 HANA, and then SAP success factors. Now integration with third-party applications. In the third-party applications and then real-time data processing and processing, we in this use cases only SAP CPI is helpful for processing the data. Now I am moving to the another slide. Now, benefits of SAP Cloud Integration: efficient data flow, flexibility and scalability, compatible with non-SAP systems, business agility, and then fast integrations. Now, thank you. Do you have any doubt? Please let me know. Without any prior knowledge, about this SAP CPI, SAP have so many flavors are there. It is SAP CPI is one of the flavor, and then FICO, HANA, Basis, so many modules are there in the SAP. It is one of the modules SAP CPI. There is no prior knowledge, there is no computer science educational background. Any degree or PhD candidates are eligible for get the SAP CPA job in the IT market with high paid salaries. Because of that reason, it is the very good chance for learning SAP CPI. If you have any doubts, if you want to join my course, please ping me in my YouTube channel. Kindly support my YouTube channel, like and thumbs up, and then comment and then share. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. We will connect in the next session. What is the connectors, what is the adapters, what is integration flow, and then what is success factor, what is, yeah, how to extract the data from the on premises, how to extract the information and clones from unloading the data in the cloud premises, how to integrating SAP CPI in the real time, which tools do we how to use. I will explain clearly each and everything in further classes. Thank you.